So iOS 26.4.1 has just officially came out, and some of you might be looking at this update and thinking that this is the update that's worth installing, that this is the update that you need to go through and basically get inside of your particular device. And I will tell you, if you are already on iOS 26, then going up to 26.4.1 makes a lot of sense. I think going up to that version of software would probably be one of the better decisions, and I'd recommend just going through installing that piece of software right there, because that will probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people if you're running into iOS 26 issues. But to that, if you're still on iOS 18, I think you should probably take advantage of that iOS 18 update and just kind of stick with that version of software for a little bit longer. I do think from what I'm seeing right now, iOS 26.4.1, although it is a step in the right direction, it still is causing some issues for some people. And from what I'm seeing, it looks like you might be better off if you just kind of wait out and install iOS 26.4.1 at a later point. And as of this point, if you can stick with something like iOS 18, that would be the better direction to go down, especially if you have something like an iPhone 14 or below. If you have an iPhone 14, 13, 12, or 11, those iPhones on iOS 18 are giving me a much better experience, like significantly better. It's going to perform much better. It's going to give me a much better experience. That is kind of the direction I recommend kind of going down. Otherwise, if you're sticking with iOS 26, you might as well install iOS 26.4.1. So in terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.